I, myself, Asha Gupta, the my physical reality is I'm the founder of Pyramid. I am the co-founder of Janan Mitra, and today we are going to talk on the raise your vibrations and see the miracles. Raise your vibrations and see the miracles. So today this is our topic, friends. And first of all, friends, I want to share with you who we are. Number one, we have to understand who we are right now. If I'm talking about the 2020, if I'm talking about the 19th September, today where we are. Number one, we have to understand today at this present moment where we stand, what my belief systems is, what my belief systems are, what the reality of myself I understand. What do you mean by me myself? You know, I'm a physical entity, I'm a multidimensional entity, I'm having mind, or I have an intellect. What am I? So the topic, before starting the topic, the raise your vibrations and see the miracles. First of all, I want to share, I want to explain who we are. So for these friends, I want to share some video with you, yeah, with some presentations with you. So this presentation, if I talk about, okay, so this is your vibrations, raise your vibration and see the miracles, friends. Yes, friends. First of all, we have to understand the law. Why I'm talking today, why I'm talking about the law of vibrations, or why I'm talking about the vibrations. What does it mean by the vibrations? So we have to understand the law of vibration, and what the law of vibration says. The law of vibration states that in the universe energy is continuously moving. We are always, everything, if I'm talking about the matter, if I'm talking about the living things, whatever, it is continuously moving, vibrating and shifting into various forms. And even you are not the exceptions. You are also here in this big web of the vibrations, you and me and everything is in this web of the vibration. So your energy frequencies and the vibrations directly relates to your thoughts, your surroundings. Do you understand it? Your each and every thought, it affects your energy frequencies, your vibrations, and not even you, the vibrations of the whole universe. If your frequency, if this frequency rises or drops according to the frequency of the things around. Suppose, for example, if you think like any vibrations which is around you is vibrating, is going, it's raising. So automatically your vibration starts raising. Have you seen it? Have you seen when you're sitting with a person who is doing meditation, or you are doing meditation, or you are doing in a group meditation, you are sitting there and you are having a very low vibration, you are feeling low, you are not feeling, if I certain talks about the minds, about the emotions, you are feeling something little low. But you are sitting in a group, you are sitting in an area where the many people are doing meditation, many people are very cheerful, they are very happy. All of sudden there is something happens, and even you start feeling happy, you start feeling joyful. So why it happens? It happens because of the surroundings, your surroundings vibrations. So let's talk about the human, because we all are humans. So let's talk about human. So if I divide into the human, so we are physical, we are emotional, Of course, we are a consciousness and we are intellectual as well. If I divide into the human into two parts, because some people say, oh, so okay, we are not this body, we should not care about the body. No, no, no. Our bodies are temple, friends, and we have to care about it. And how we have to raise our vibrations, I will very minutely, I will describe each and every. I will try to, and definitely I will. And I really will try to understand, let you know about what you are and how you can raise your vibrations very practically, friends. So if I talk about like this, yeah, if I talk about again this only, yeah. So I divide into mind and body. We are mind, yes, we are body. So how the mind affects us? The thoughts, how I am thinking about how my thoughts are, and how my body is. My body is healthy. My body is, its immune system is good. Its immune system is poor. It all depends on, as well as the food, what you are having, what you are taking, and as well with your thoughts also. So the next thing, if I want to, yes, our light, I am, okay, this happens now. Our light body is matter. Friends, I want to tell you one thing. We have, because we are having 7 bodies, so there is a part of us which is a light body, but we are matter. We are matter. So where is our light body? The reason why we don't see our body as light, because our mind processes the energy codes of our light body as matter, as flesh instead of light. It doesn't mean that physical body is truly an illusion. It's not an illusion. It just means that matter works similar to an illusion. Try to understand, friends. We can see you are seeing this part of picture, I am seeing this part of picture, you are seeing the illusion part of it, and I am seeing the light body part of it. So you have to aware, and you are aware, that you are a spiritual being. We all know we are spiritual beings. And if you don't know, so please know, please, today is a day to know. You are aware, and if you are not aware, please aware that you are a spiritual being having a human experience. You know that you are a multidimensional being, and your true essence does not reside solely in the physical body. If you think you are only the physical body, this is not the truth. So if I talk about, yes, how you can see your vibrations into your body, how you can see your, yes, we are vibrating. So we can see into our, in the color form and in the form, on the sound form. If I more elaborate it, we can see like this. If I'm going to talk about like the chakras, yes, we all know we are having these chakras. Yes, these are not into my physical body, but these represents colors into our body. If I think most of you know, the red color represents the root chakra, the Muladhara, then the orange color, the sacral chakra, Swadhisthana, then the navel chakra, the Manipura. The power, when you feel, yes, I can do it, I have the power. So you are coming, you are just bringing your vibrations up more higher. First of all, you are feeling, yeah, it's just a survival mode. Okay, no, I just want a roti kapda makan. I'm just into a survival mode. I can't think anything else, only the survival mode. And the other thing is that I'm talking about the emotions. Yeah, I'm having very low emotions. I'm not having the higher emotions. But one day comes when you start doing meditation, you start vibrating with the higher energies, you are meeting with the masters, you are reading the books, all the many ways which I'm going to tell you about. So you feel, yes, I'm powerful. Yes, I can do it. Yes, I can fulfill my dreams. So then the next journey is the love, your heart chakra, anahata, then your throat chakra, the Vishuddha chakra. Whatever you say, it's just going to, yes, yes, yes. Whatever I want to say, if I say, yes, I'm a powerful soul, yes, yes, yes. Because my words have power. Whatever I'm going to talk, whatever I'm saying, the words which is uttering, my words from my mouth, the communications, if I'm communicating with you, It's, you know, just become a powerful media of, it's a communication. So this is my throat chakra. So now next, the intuitions, your third eye is your, the bro chakra, then the spirituality, your crown chakra. So these are the little things which I'm going to tell you, explain you, friends. Now let's talk about the energy, friends. And if I want to, I don't know how I want to. Okay, I'm not showing. Okay, all well, energy. So friends, now I want to tell you a little about the energy. We all know everything is energy. Yes, your fruit resting in your kitchen is energy. The tree swing outside your window is an energy. Even the computer mouse which I'm using right now to talk with you, to connect with you, I'm using energy. You used to scroll your web page, energy. When you use energy on a subatomic level, you don't find matter. Instead, you discover pure energy. So what is the result? The result is we are energy beings. We are also aware of our chakra system as the gateway of our higher consciousness. So friends, I think you are enjoying it, you are understanding it, and now I'm coming next to the bioenergetic field. I really want to explain it, and you can just, I am just making it more bigger. Yes, more bigger, little big. Yes. Now you can just check yourself. I'm not talking about any other person. I'm just talking about you only. So what do you feel? Are you healthy or you are unhealthy? Just check it. If you are unhealthy, so the energetic distortions are there. Check it. Do you have? No, cancel it. Energetic disruptions, do you have? Cancel it. Energetic disorders, don't have? Cancel it. Okay, it means you are a healthy person. So let's talk about your health. If you are energetic, healthy, so you have to check your empowerment. Number one, right? Yeah, number two, energetic protection. See your aura, see a person's aura, how beautiful, how it is, you know, all the aura, how it is just connected. There is no breakage. Everything is all, you know, it's a kind of continuity is there. There is no breakage in that blue line. And then the last is the energetic wellness. It means you are all well. You are a healthy person. Okay. So now, electromagnetic field. Body is truly made of energy. Your body has many different energy fields. Have you seen it? You have seen it into many colors. You have seen it, the dark blue, the orange, the yellow. Energy fields have magnetic and electrical properties, friends. Understand it. We have magnetic and electrical properties. Your body does an amazing job of generating countless electromagnetic fields. And even some electromagnetic fields are so small, it is very hard to detect even. And you have seen, you must have seen, you must have noticed, it often produces electromagnetic fields that flow properly and are mostly free of negative energy and information when your body is healthy, friends. So now I think you are ready. You all are ready who are listening at the Janan Mitra. And if you yet you don't have subscribed this channel, Janan Mitra, please do subscribe. This is a beautiful channel. We are having such a beautiful energies, beautiful informations through the masters, the senior masters, the grand masters, and sharing your experiences, the newcomers, the new meditators. So it's a platform. It's a must join. So friends, attaining higher energy, are you ready? I'm ready. If you are ready, when you raise your vibration frequency, you open the floodgates. Now the gates are opening to the abundance, happiness, greater prosperity. You travel on the energy frequency and the vibration plane. You wish to exit on and attract like a magnet wherever you want to, friend. And friends, I really want to say something to you कि don't ask this question how never ask this question, friends, never. The universe is asking, show me your new vibrations, I will show you the miracles. So first you have to be ready. Yes, I'm ready to receive the new vibrations. Okay, you think miracles, okay, miracles do happen there, okay, no, miracles can't happen in my life, no. If you are saying, if you're talking like this, no, it won't happen in your life. And if I say, I'm always say, yes, miracles do happen, miracles happens, I'm ready to receive the miracles, I'm a miraculous person, my thoughts are miraculous, miracles start happening. So how it is happening and how it is not happening, just show universe your new vibrations. If you are ready to show your new vibrations, and now I know your questions is how the new vibrations. Next slides, I'm going to tell you how you can. So friends, if you are ready, whatever is active in your vibrations, if you are active in your vibrations, yes, I'm ready to receive, the universe will find a way to deliver it to you. Don't worry how it is coming, how the miracles, how the happenings, how the positivity, how the greater ideas, the greater thoughts, the greater happenings are coming into your way. Don't think how the delivery will happen. Don't go into that, friends. Yeah, because it may be DTDC, it may be any courier, it may be any delivery system. It may be via person, it may be via mail, it may be via post, it may be via a courier, it may be via a gift, it may be wherever, from a book, from a friend, from a master, from an angel, from a ascended master, wherever. But the most important thing, what you have to do is just active in your vibrations. Universe will find their way. So friend, this is kind of what I'm talking about. This is a kind of ascension. Because today I have selected the topic, raise your vibrations and see the miracles. Miracles. So this is a kind of ascension wherever you are right now today. So if I talk about the ascension, what does it mean? Everybody's about talking about the ascension period. Yes, we are in the 2020. This is an ascension period. What does it mean by the ascension? Ascension means it's a process integrating more light from your higher soul. It is coming only from your higher soul into your physical being. It means you can say there is a higher soul, there is a big bank for you, and this is your only. There is a big account, there is a big, I can say there is a big, in that account there is a big account, there is a big locker, and that is your only. But you don't know the number, the key of your locker, so you're not getting the treasure, you're not getting the amounts, you're not getting the cash, you're not getting the possibilities. So how you have to catch that? Ascension is a process of integrating more light from your high self, high soul into your physical being sense. So what it means, ascension requires us to transformate the darkness within our lower self, friends. Now you understand. There is a part of us which is the lower self. Now so we can is the physical self. Now I'm going to tell you about in the next slides. I'm going to explain you the, I can say, yeah, you're the emotional frequencies. So friends, look at this beautiful picture, friends. Just look at it. So I think now you are aware, you are a spiritual being and having wings, having a human experience. You know that you are a multidimensional being and that your true essence does not reside solely in the physical body. You are not only this physical body, friends. Try to understand. You have wings, you can fly, you can think, you can imagine, you can visualize. You have all that properties. So you have wings. Are you ready? Ready? Yes. So let's go. So if you are ready, friends, so I want to now go with ways to raise your vibrations, friends. What I have to do, how I can raise my vibrations, friends. We have to understand this. The ways: number one, doing practice of meditation, mindfulness, yogas, healthy eating. We can raise our vibrations. Meditation, we all know, we all are meditators. We can use the pyramids. Today in meditation, we are going to use pyramid caps. So in meditation, what happens, friends? The only thing left behind is your consciousness, where we slow down the sympathetic nervous system and the egoist monkey mind. We are able to access higher aspects of ourselves that will help us gain greater clarity about our soul lessons and how to evolve beyond them. In meditation, it is possible. So if we are doing meditation, friends, try to understand this, friends. If we are doing meditation, what will happen? Now you can see, friends, this picture very clearly. If I'm doing meditation for 1 and 5 minutes of meditation, you can see the picture of this girl. Huh? And now I'm doing meditation for 15-20 minutes. Now you can see a big, this circle, the aura. Are you seeing it? 1 to 5 minutes of meditation, start building, start constructing. And I think if there is no meditation, I don't know. I think just within your body or a very small, before meditation, I don't have the image, but you can see 5 minutes of meditation and 15-20 minutes of meditation. Now, friends, whose responsibility is this? Now, try it. Let me know. Do you think it's your mother's responsibility, your father's responsibility, your husband's responsibility, your guru's responsibilities? No, no, no. The total responsibility, the full responsibilities is only your responsibility, friend. So we take full responsibility for everything that has occurred or will occur in our life. We won't blame the politicians, the governments, the situations, the economical situations, the geographical situations, the corona, the outside, inside. No, no, no. We have to understand that we are a multidimensional vibrational beings with many aspects of ourselves in the past, present, and future timelines of our very, very own energy fields. So now if you take a challenge, if you take a mission, your own, by your own, so your frequencies be raised. Friends, teach, not preach. I'm just sharing experience of myself, friends. Here I really want to show you something. If I want to change the other person, how I can change? Is it some kind of a speech? It's some kind of a lecture? No, no, no. It's my experience. It's my meditation experience. Through my example, you will inspire others to make changes. I can say, friends, if I talk about the white sisterhood, if I talk about the pyramid light, if I talk about the awakening beyond, if I talk about the Dhyan Bharat magazine, if I talk about the books which I have translated or written, Navayuga mein Pyramid Urja. So these are the work which is done through Asha Gupta. If I want to teach somebody, so what do you think I have to teach you? Oh, do this thing, no, do this thing, no, this is right, this is wrong. No need it. If the other person just look at me, okay, she is Asha Gupta, yeah, she's a master, yeah, no, she's a common man, yeah, she's a common. So is she common? No, she's not common. She's a master, she's a grandmaster, she's Brahmani. So I'm teaching something? No, I'm not teaching, friends. Just make it your higher vibrations. What I did in my life, there is my mission, there is my mission, my vision, my ideas, my imaginations. So there is a way. so I can share my perspective and lessons with you. But I'm not trying to preach you, try to control you, try to control my other soul sisters or my family members or my family or my neighbors. No. So not only will you never get through to them, but also you lose your respect. People need to experience. Everybody has to experience, friends. I become the co-founder of Janan Mitra because there is a friendship, there is a partnership, there is a love, there is affection, there is some kind of sharing. So friends, number one thing, other thing which I'm talking to you, your beliefs. Sometimes what happens, friends, you are holding some beliefs and those beliefs are not your beliefs. Sometimes it is given by your family, your religious thoughts, or from your friends, families, teachers, teachings, wherever, from your past lives. There are so many areas where you can hold your beliefs. But now what you have to do is, friends, your conscious, unconscious, subconscious, and the superconscious energies are creating your entire life. As it says, you are creating your own realities. We are reading right now, the Jane Roberts books and the platform of the world women, spiritual authors, and the artists. So we come to know about the truth about what the master says. You are creating your own realities. And even Brahmrishi Pitamay Patriji also says this, we are creating our own realities. As we think, so we become. So it does meaning only this, friends, like this is my vibrational energy contains within your energy fields are making better choices in all areas of your life, including which activates your invest your time in, and which foods which sustain and nourish your body. So this is a kind of your beliefs. Miracles are sudden shift in frequencies. How miracles happens, right? Have you think about it? Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute. Just think about it. Miracles. What is miracles? Think and share your ideas. You can share your ideas in the comment box. Half minute. Miracles are sudden shifts in frequency that change your reality, the Queen of Light. Just look at this picture, the beautiful, the Queen of Light. What do you think? The miracles are sudden shift in frequency? Your life is becoming more and more aligned with the image you project to others. Your masks are off and you are who you say you are. You are doing your best to live an authentic life aligned with your high soul. There is nothing for you to hide or keep a secret. What do you want to hide? You are able to openly and honestly live and speak from your heart, making choices that are light filled for you, regardless of what others might think, feel, or say. So friends, now let's start manifesting. Manifesting into easy steps. Focus on what you want. What happens, friends? The people, mostly I see many clients who visits me, who come to me, who talks to me, who share their problems or their life issues to me. And many times I have seen this thing on the problems. Always I have seen, mostly I have seen, those people are focused on what they don't want. They are focused on what they don't want. So what the shift is? Focus on what you want. Focus on what you feel good, whatever you feel good. If you feel good to go to a friend, call that friend. If you feel, focus on wherever your happiness is there, in what kind of activity you are doing. You're feeling, if you feel happiness in your singing, your dancing, your gardening, so whatever the activities where you feel, to try to manifest that. Somewhere I've seen whatever in your life, your childhood, I can say the choices or your habits or you want to do in your childhood, somewhere there is a hidden picture, I can say. So try to find out. And other thing is, friends, to raise your vibrations, this is really important, friends. Do something for others. Okay, if I talk about 24 hours, okay, 7 hours you are sleeping. Do in every day, friends. It's there is a shift, you know, there is a shift. If I say no, 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 I can't give, it means you are trying to and acknowledge yourself, I don't have enough. If I say somebody is asking for one chapati from you and I said no, 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 I don't have enough, it means you don't have enough to I have more than enough to give to others. It's a shifting of your thinking. I don't have enough to, I don't have enough to, I have more than enough to give to others. I have more than enough. So try to say, try to repeat, I have more than enough. If somebody is asking from Zoom, yes, you want Zoom, okay, I have more than enough. I have so much of, you know, I have Zoom, I have StreamYards, I have OBC, I have the Facebook account, I have so many things. Yes, I have more than enough. I'm ready to share with you. I'm here. I can give to others. So this is abundance, high vibrations. So just live your life in an abundance form of I can share, I can give, I have enough, I have more than enough. And if I have more than enough, so let's share it. Because that extra part, that enough, more than enough, is not for you actually. If you think you have more than enough, so that more than enough which you are carrying in this life is not for you. It is for to serve your society, your neighborhood, your this humanity, to Mother Earth, planet Earth, your vision, your mission, wherever. So you have to see these things. They are divine existence, signs of God, goddess like humans. So in that form, you won't become a human. You become like a goddess, huh? Like a goddess. And one thing, friend, don't never forget it, gratitude. Keep a gratitude, friends. Make a list of gratitudes, friend, please. Whenever you feel the positive effects of these vibrations, frequency boost, you can move on to the something new. Gratitude. Yes. She's my mentor. She's my friend. She helps me. She's my master. He is my guru. He's a master. He is my angel. He is my ancestor. He is my the guides. So be thankful every time. Just after 2 hours, just I gratitude. Oh, I gratitude, Mama. I gratitude, Papa. So much you have given me. Thank you. Okay, you are eating non-veg. It's okay. If your mother is having a non-veg food and you can't do anything, it's okay because that is her system. That is not your aura, but you are living in that house, the same house. Don't bother about that. You are like a lotus, and lotus always rises from that, you know, the from the mud only. So don't try, just give gratitude because you find something there. Why you are there? Maybe they must be learning something from you. You are there, they are there. Something is happening between both of you. So a person, expand your consciousness, friends. Whatever the situations are, please expand. A person with an expanded consciousness is always aware that every day they are alive, is sacred. Every breath they take is life affirming. Every meal they consume regardless. Keep a daily gratitude diary to practice thankfulness, friends. This is one of the most important points, friends. Because when you put together a list of what you are thankful for, grateful for, it swings your vibration frequency, friends. If you start complaining, oh, no, 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 what you did from me, no, 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 how you say like this, no, how could you just broke my heart, no, 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 how it is. So you are coming down from your higher frequencies. So don't do that. So the law of attraction, how do you attract with it? How does it work? Your words affects your thoughts, friends. Your thought affects your feelings. Your feeling affects your vibration. Your vibration is what attracts things to you. Now understand, friends. You can go up to down, down to up. It's up to you. This is just a step. Words affects your thoughts. Whatever I'm saying, it's affecting Asha. Feeling so. So try to understand. Even if I talk about the quantum physics, so Einstein have proved through quantum physics that energy and matter are interchangeable and interconnected. We are not other than the matter world, because we are having the matter form also. So it depends on the energies into the matter, matter into the energies. If I say, okay, I'm a light body, my body is shining like a star, my body is shining like a sun. So what does it mean? It means the universe and all things within it are interchangeable. Your energy, vibration, frequency, and physical self are interchangeable, friends. Practice self-love, very important. Practice self-love to fuel your energetic transformations. Are you accept yourself as you are? Are you appreciate yourself? Are you love yourself? Do you self-love? Just check it. Observe and improve yourself, friends. What you have to do. Friends, now we are going into one meditation after this slide. Observe and improve yourself. Be kind to yourself. Sometimes you become so harsh to yourself only. So harsh to yourself. You know you cannot do. You know you cannot do. It's very heavy. But you start pulling that thing. You start pushing that thing. Suppose, even I did like this, you friends, you know. One day what happened, there was a very heavy sofa. I know it is very heavy. And I started moving it. In spite of knowing it is very heavy. So that time, if I remember that incident in my life, so that time, did I was kind to myself? No. Because afterwards, what happened? My thighs, it just swallowed. It so pain was there. So if I talk about myself, so I think that time I didn't love myself. I didn't care for myself. I didn't care for my body. I can't move a big sofa, yaar. So tell yourself how beautiful I am. Tell yourself how my so beautiful hair down here, my eyes, beautiful black eyes. I'm a winner. And what winner, yaar? A rose is a rose. A lotus is a lotus. Tuberose is a tuberose. Um, so I don't want to go into this. You're a winner. Who is winning? Who is losing? I don't know all these things. Okay. So remember your spiritual roots to raise your perceptions, friends. You are a spiritual being. When the world around us promotes material living consciously, continuously, however, in truth, you are a spiritual being having a human experience. So many times we have heard this line, and if we didn't, please listen. You are a spiritual being having a human experience. Your vibrational frequency can take a blow when you overlook the fact that you are a multidimensional, friends. It's a big statement. Acquire knowledge to accelerate your energetic evolution. The time you spend learning, reading, writing, discovering, raising your vibrational substantially. You are becoming a part of that universe, a big part of, you become aware of the truth within this planet and the suffering that goes on. Soften your energy to release creativity and harmony. If you release your minds, your monkey minds, your thoughts, you know, it start releasing something, creativity starts happening that time, the harmony starts creating, starts something popping up, the music, the art, literature, many things, friends. So friends, accept your interconnection with the universe and accept your the connections, perceive the diversity of creation to appreciate all things, friends. This is again very important, friends. Perceive the diversity. Don't try to think why he is not like me. Creative creation is diverse. When you understand that no two things are alike, your appreciation for all things heightens. If you think why my brother is having egg, yeah, I am a vegetarian, I promote PSSM, I promote vegetarianism, but why? Why? Let them. Let them. You can say only once. These are the, these are the benefits of becoming a vegetarian. These are the benefits of becoming a vegan. These are the benefits of becoming a fruitarian, breatharian. Fine, that's it. You recognize that no two things fit in one basket. You are you, he is he, she is she. You should always respect another's soul. There are some soul mature soul, some are baby soul. So you have to respect, as Krishna says in the Gita, everybody's life is just having their experiences according to their own gunas, the three gunas. There are the satoguna and the rajoguna and the tamas guna. So everybody is just acting or behaving or functioning like their gunas only. So friends, perfection is a perception, and perception is flawed. Don't try to be perfect. I'm a perfect man. What does it mean by perfection? There is never a perfection. If I say I'm a perfect man and one master come to me and he is more perfected, more practiced, more, I can say more having more experiences. So never try to be perfect. Just keep going on, keep going on. The path is to a high vibrational frequency, is not linear. You will make mistakes, and there is mistakes are, they are the teachers, and not me, not you, not anything, and not that totally okay. So when anything is not okay, so why I should say, yes, these are the best? No, nothing. Appreciate beauty to remember the miracle of life. Always, friends. So my one platform, you all know the communication with the nature and the animal gods. So beauty is all around you. If you see a baby, the beauty is. If you see a plant, if you see a flowers plant, take a moment to appreciate, admire, absorb it. Just look at that beautiful flower. Admire it, appreciate it, absorb it. So embrace it, free, breathe in deeply, friends. So friends, now I just want to, yes friends, how I, so friends, let's do meditation. Are you ready? Close your eyes, friends. Just close your eyes. After seeing this beautiful, the, the knowing of, raise your vibration and see the miracles. Just go into your own insights. Close your eyes, friends, and we are doing Anapanasati, a little guided meditation for 10 minutes. Just close your eyes, cross your